everyone, today we're going to be making vegetable quinoa with chopped up mushrooms. So first thing we're going to do is add the vegetable oil. Then we're going to add a handful of red onions and sweet peppers. Then we're going to add our chopped up mushrooms. Then we're going to add a teaspoon of black pepper, thyme and all-purpose seasoning. And then we're going to stir it up. And don't forget our cherry tomatoes. Now I'm going to put these cherry tomatoes in and then we're going to fry it down until you see the cherry tomatoes opening. Now we're going to add our thoroughly washed quinoa into the frying pan. Then we're going to mix this vegetable stock and we're going to add it in. Now let's stir it. Then we're going to add our lid on and leave it to simmer. Now my vegetable quinoa has finished and all the water is gone, it's time to eat. Thank you for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and just remember to vote for delicious dips at the link above. See you next time.